link nearly complete. General Shepard, you're online with Captain Price.
Back from the brink, Captain.
Out of the frying pan is more like it. This world looks more like hell than the one I just left.
We thought we'd recovered the ACS before the Russians could crack it. We were wrong. Then Makarov turned the US into his scapegoat. Next thing you know, there's flames everywhere. What's this image you're sending me?
You want to put out an oil fire, sir? You set off a bigger explosion right next to it. Sucks away the oxygen, snuffs the flame.
Price, you've been locked away too long. Better get your mind right, son.
Shepard, are you willing to do what is necessary to win?
Always.
We got ourselves a pretty big fire. Gonna need a huge bang.
You've been in the gulag too long, Price. Focus on taking out Makarov.
No time, sir. We need to end this war today.
I'm not asking you, Price. This is an order. You're to...
Looks like we lost our connection.
Price, I can barely see Roach shooting my satellite feed. Too much interference. Do you see him? Over.
Roger that, Soap. I've found Roach. He appears to be intact. We're gonna head northwest to the subbase. Over.
Copy that. The rest of the team landed near Ghost, pretty far to the east.
Tell them to proceed with the mission. We'll regroup if possible.
Roach, follow me and stay out of sight. Contact. Enemy patrol 30 meters to our front. 5 men, automatic rifles, frag grenades, 1 German Shepherd.
Dogs. I hate dogs.
These Russian dogs are like pussycats compared to the ones in Pripyat.
It's good to have you back, old man.
Roger that. Let's follow them quietly and pick off any stragglers. Patience. Don't do anything stupid. We'll have to take them out at the same time. Convoy coming. Get out of sight. Let them pass. Two of them are stopped for a smoke. Take one, I'll take out the other. Good. I'm ready. Let's take them all out at once. You take the handler and his dog on the left. We're spotted. Take them out. Don't give away our position, Roach. This is only gonna get harder.
So, our intel was off. The Russians have mobile SAMs.
Roger that.
Have you found us some transport?
I'm working on it. Out.
Incoming! Look out! Slow down. Their vehicles can't follow us this far.
Looks like they're searching for us. Let them pass. out or leave them be. Your call. Beautiful. Large patrol at 12 o'clock. Use a suppressed weapon. We'll have to take them out at the same time. Take the two on the right. Nicely done. We got another dog patrol. Take them out or try to slip past. Your call.
We're spotted! Go loud! Take them out!
Got one. He's down. Tango down. Good night. Target eliminated. Roach, we can't afford to keep giving away our position like that. Maintain a low profile.
So, what's the status of our air support? Over.
A UAV loaded with AGMs is en route to your position.
Roger that. This ridge is perfect. Roach, take control of the Predator drone. Bollocks.
What just happened?
There's a mobile SAM site in the village. It just shot down our Predator. So, we need another Predator. Roach, they know we're here. You might want to grab a different weapon.
Multiple confirmed kills. Nice work.
We got a man down! Coma! Enemy behind those stacked up ammo crates! He's out of my line of sight!
Arming AGMs. Stand by. AGM missiles online. 5+ KIAs. Good hit. Good hit.
Contacting you! Target acquired!
AGM missile is online. AGM missile's online. I repeat, AGM missile is online. Direct hit.
So, we've linked up with Ghost and the rest of the team.
Roger that. The second Predator's almost in position. Make it count. These things don't grow on trees. That got their attention. The whole base is on the left. You'd better hurry. You've only got a couple of minutes before that submarine dives. We're moving. AGM missiles online.
Воздушная поддержка!
Good hit. Looks like at least 3 kills. AGM missiles online. They're done.
Arrow! Cover me!
AGM missile is online. Multiple confirmed kills. Nice work.
Enemy behind those stacked up crates!
Arming AGMs. Stand by. AGM missiles online. Good hit. Looks like at least 3 kills. Arming AGMs. Stand by.
I'm going for the Saab! Cover me from that corner by the west gate! Roger that! We have to get to that corner by the west gate to cover Price! Follow me!
AGM missiles online.
Cover me from that corner by the west gate!
All right. I'm inside the sub. Cover me. I need a few minutes.
Incoming! 2 trucks to the east!
Good effect on target. Multiple enemy vehicles. KIA.
More vehicles to the east! Use the UAV!
AGM missile is online.
doors are opening on the sub. I repeat, the silo doors are opening on the sub. Christ, come in! They're opening the silo doors on the sub. Come on, hurry! Christ, do you copy? The silo doors are open! I repeat, the silo doors are open!